In our daily interactions, we often engage in subtle psychological games, much like players on a metaphorical playground. These games, far from being mere child's play, have deep psychological roots and significant impacts on our relationships. ERIC BERNE's seminal work, Games People Play, unveils the complex world of these interactions. He invites us on a journey through the intriguing landscape of transactional analysis, offering a new lens to view our daily social exchanges. Berne's theory proposes that every conversation is a transaction, potentially a game with hidden psychological stakes. These games, he suggests, are not random but are deeply buried in our psyche, often originating from our formative years. Central to understanding these games are the three ego states: the parent, the adult, and the child. These states represent different facets of our personality and dictate how we perceive and respond in various interactions. Berne categorizes numerous games like Now I've Got You, You Son of a Bitch, Nig Yes Sob, and Why Don't You Yes But. Each game follows a pattern, leading to predictable, often undesirable outcomes. These games, while seemingly trivial, can have profound implications. They can trap us in cycles of dysfunctional behavior, affecting our personal and professional relationships. However, there is a path to transformation. By recognizing and understanding the games we play, we can begin to change our participation in them. This awareness opens the door to healthier, more authentic interactions. Through Berne's insights, we learn not just to see the games, but to rise above them. This understanding empowers us to foster more meaningful connections and personal growth. In essence, Games People Play is not just about recognizing the games in our interactions. It's about rewriting the rules for a more genuine connection with ourselves and others. Identify and understand the games in your interactions to foster healthier relationships. Use self-awareness as a tool for personal growth and improved communication.